Changan is one of China's largest and most innovative car makers. With a dozen factories around the world, engaged in complete automobile design and manufacturing, research and development centers in China, Italy, and Japan, and partnerships with international giants Ford, Suzuki, and Mazda guarantee that Changan produces the most up-to-date body and engine designs. From design to after-sales, Changan maintains an international sales and service network with its partners to ensure customer satisfaction. Changan is China's global car maker. Here at Changan's design studios, youthful designers work on what they hope will set the standard for the future of the Chinese automotive industry.
Young designers are more likely to understand the demands of young consumers. Today's Chinese consumer enjoys the most stylish design and the most advanced cars.
The focus of automobile development today is economic efficiency and practicality.
Today they put the finishing touches on Ausvin, a car designed to meet the needs of a world wary of pricey automobiles.
Cars are a fashionable product. They need to be designed beautifully and they need to be attractive. In these days of erratic energy costs, an economy car should have great prospects.
Chinese car design and manufacturing is at its height. We have access to the whole world's technology resources and the best design facilities.
Changan knows that building a great car relies on the perfect combination of many elements. They employ teams of the most accomplished designers and engineers around the world to ensure that their cars meet the toughest international standards. Today, from engine to body design, Changan is proud to boast the expertise to build almost every element in a Changan car. In a world where mobility and immediacy play important roles, the car has become our greatest symbol of independence. Changan's dream of affordable quality automobiles has helped to transform China into the greatest car market in the world. At Changan's private testing facility, the desire to build the first truly independent Chinese car means the engineers here need to work at the most rigorous of international standards.
For the Chinese car to succeed in the world, it needs to develop its own characteristics.
Though it is based on a sleek sports car platform, the Ausvin is still priced like an economy car. Changan relies on the culture built on self-sufficiency to keep their cars affordable.
Engines are the most important part of a car, so China decided to develop a new engine independently.
At Changan's Automobile Engineering Institute, engineers produced the first of China's independently designed and manufactured automobile engines, the CA.
The Chinese car industry still produces joint venture engines or imports them from overseas. The CA represents an advanced level of engine design which is purely our own.
The Chinese car market is based on a blend of imported designs mixed with ideas of our own. I imagine after several years of research and development, the Chinese car will have its own distinct characteristics.
Chongqing City, a major capital on China's mighty Yangtze River. In this city in 1958, Changan designed and manufactured China's very first all-terrain light vehicle, the Yangtze. From these humble beginnings, Changan has grown into China's largest mini car and engine manufacturer with a multinational sales and service network. And Changan has only grown better with age.
Changan Automobile has both joint venture and independently developed products. We are referred to as the finest organization in the Chinese automotive industry.
Today, Changan and its partners are key players in the development of the Chinese automotive industry.
China car market will be the greatest market in the world.
And Changan has ambitious plans for its brand. It plans to augment its already promising international presence by launching Changan branded vehicles into several new markets over the next few years.
With the help of our products, we'll grow our brand. We hope that people all over the world will recognize the Chinese brand Changan.
In 2007, to celebrate the launch of Changan South Africa, the smallest of Changan's two-wheel drive vans and a Changan Benny hatchback drove an astounding 21,000 kilometers from Chongqing to South Africa.
Some people believed it was a crazy idea.
The journey confirmed the reliability of Changan's vehicles in the world's toughest terrain and established Changan's reputation as a builder of world-class cars.
At night, we used to lay on the grass and watch a galaxy of stars. The whole sky was filled with them. These days in the city, it's hard to see such a view.
We must reduce the discharge of automobile pollutants. We must take responsibility for our Earth.
Engineers at Changan's new energy department are continuously testing and developing new technologies that will enhance the performance of today's vehicles. Changan is one of the first car manufacturers to put an inexpensive hybrid electric vehicle into full production.
Mixed dynamic technology can switch off a car's engine when it is idle. That way emissions will be zero, and fuel consumption will also be zero.
Several Changan Joyce HEVs have already seen service as taxis during the Green Olympic Games in Beijing.
Changan Joyce mixed dynamic technology is a real technology in production, not just a demo car.
We hope that we can find more ways to reduce carbon emissions to zero, so people and cars can coexist for a lot longer on our planet.
Changan values innovation. It supports the kind of creative thinking that challenges the limits of human mobility and asks the question, what kind of car will we be driving in the future?
The car of the future is not afraid of any kind of traffic. It is able to move along the ground, it can swim in the sea, or fly in the sky.
Electric or solar-powered vehicles.
Some parts can be folded, shrunk, or compressed.
And our car can go anywhere, and it won't need roads.
It's probably made from new materials we haven't even discovered yet.
Instead of a steering wheel, we just are using our thought to control the car.
All you have to do is put on a pair of shoes and they will take you all over the world.
In South Africa, with a lot of sun there, that solar panel vehicles will be ideal for us.
Today's car can carry 3 to 5 people. Maybe in the future, a car will only carry one person.
I hope the car of the future will be designed and built by a Chinese person.
Whatever the future of the global car industry, the people at Changan know the importance of building not just good cars, but cars that are efficient vehicles as well. Today, as a world-class automobile manufacturer, Changan is dedicated to developing ever more innovative technologies for a cleaner, brighter future. Changan is China's global car maker.